Materially welcomes you at Materials Village 2021, a special edition hosted by Superstudio. Let's take a closer look to YKK's newest and most interesting products together with Saki, hello,
Hello.
and Sabine, hello.
Nice to see
Please
you.
introduce YKK.
Thank you. First of all, we'd like to introduce our philosophy because it's strongly related with sustainability and it's the base of our action. Or the cycle of goodness, no one prospers without rendering benefit to others. As an important member of society, a company survives through coexistence. When the benefits are shared, the value of the company's existence will be recognized by society. YKK's founder, Tadao Yoshida, gave high priority from the beginning for this aspect and would find a path rendering to mutual prosperity. With this philosophy, we believe that using inventiveness in business action and constantly creating new value would lead to the prosperity of clients and partners and make it possible to contribute to society. Thanks to this philosophy, our sustainable products have a long history and are consistently innovating. So, if possible, let's introduce our products.
Yes, please, thank you.
I think that at that point we should begin with the oldest one, which is quite old, because and that's the proof that the philosophy of YKK is not a new philosophy, but it was the founding of the company itself. And our oldest item in terms of sustainability is right here, Natulon. I can also show you one of the many interpretations of Natulon. Natulon is actually the tape name specification, and it's entirely recycled polyester tape. So this of course reduces the consumption of new plastic and all what is going with the new plastic production. And this is the first effort. We began with this item in 1994, so more than 27 years ago. And that was just the first one. Then we developed the idea and we tried to find much more possibilities of improving and giving more support to our health and our society, because that's where we are living in, as our philosophy explained very well. So then we passed to some more interpretation of sustainability, for example, green race.
Green light is drawing from nature. This item can reduce CO2 emission. That means greenhouse gases eliminate to conduct comparing standard PET. I mean about the polyester made by petroleum. And we use the waste such as sugarcane. Let's go on with the next item, acroplating.
So also acroplating. Acroplating is actually not an item, but techniques, let's say, in technology.
Yes, technology.
So YKK, which is also designing the own machine that we are using to produce our items, design a specific machine to change the way of making the finishing for items. We are applying this technology on sliders and pullers, but also on snaps and buttons, which is another range of items that YKK is actually providing to suppliers. So in this case, we have 6 different finishes that are applied on our traditional flex fix snaps, which is a high quality snaps with the internal plastic parts and metal covering. And these new finishes is even more resistant and is bringing to the minimum possible level of production of chemicals, consumption of energy, water, or whatever you can imagine for the production of items. So this is a great improvement as well. But it's not the last one.
Yes, we have the brand new items developed in Italy. These two, B-Tron nylon and DP300 snap button nylon, monoplastic materials. We designed to be made again for circularity. YKK, yes, presents the first recycle-friendly zipper with nylon garment. Because generally speaking, our item, such as fastening products, is complicated accessory, so it's difficult to separate from the garment or bags, and then consists many kind of materials. But thanks to this new technology, we achieved to realize almost one material in nylon. So brands of garments or any other customer don't need to separate zipper for recycling. We confirmed with the leading recycler in Germany to get the evidence this zipper and button are recyclable.
So a highly valuable feature. Thank you for introducing this. So you also have facilities in Italy, you mentioned?
Yes, we have a factory in Vercelli city, which is 1 hour west side from Milano. So we produce locally.
We also have a plant in Ascoli Piceno, where we make all the small parts like slider and pullers and buttons. So we actually, YKK is in many different places on the world. It's a Japanese company, but it's then expanded to all the world. And we try to be very close to our own places where our customer can provide what they need. So this is very important for us. It's really being part of the world where we are living.
Yes, so it reduces LCA cost as well.
Of course.
And in addition to that, you also developed a highly user-friendly and very complete online tool. So a showroom which is virtual, but actually it does give the feeling of a real physical.
Thank you. We'd like to introduce this website, digital showroom. We set up this website during the pandemic situation. Then it's a global platform that introduces YKK's products, but not only. With a story, there is a dedicated floor for sustainability, and also some materials to get the knowledge of basic fastening products, and then visitors can have a session with local YKK members if they wish. Then we are planning several events for the future on digital as well.
Thank you. So in addition to now at Materials Village and online using your digital showroom, where can we find YKK's products?
Oh, in many different places. So of course worldwide in each country, but especially in Italy, let's say, because we are here, you can visit our, I don't know how to come, wholesale place. I don't know how to define exactly, but we have 3 nearly shops in Italy. So one is in Carpi, then there is one in Scandicci, Firenze, yes, and one in Naples. So these are the 3 places where you can directly talk with our colleagues, and they will explain and help you to find exactly the item you need. Then of course you can contact us online, by emails. We also have a showroom in London, so you can also go in London. And then every 6 months we provide a new collection of items. This that you have seen now are the new collection coming now, and you will be able to see it in Linea Pelle and then in Première Vision in Paris. and of course online as well, because due to the pandemic we also developed a specific microsite to show our collection every 6 months.
Yes.
And the address is YKK-Europe-collection.com. It's quite long.
There is a form, just click which item you are interested in, and then we will ship the items.
Samples, yes. It's
Yes.
quite easy. There are many different types.
Yes. As you
Each
prefer.
sister company has also its own website with the possibility of take contact with a representative in the country where you are living in. So
Yes,
it's
all of
really-
us are related, so we can collaborate to
communicate, exchange,
to
and
offer the
yeah.
proper item locally.
Okay, so Saki and Sabine, thank you very much.
Thank you, Miguel.
Thank you
Have a
very
nice
much.
day.
Thank you, Nicole.
Thank you, everybody.